With us to the KBIS trade show. Today is day one of KBIS and it has to start with some good Starbucks coffee. I waited in a long line for this and it was well worth the wait. Next, me and Paul took the long walk to the Las Vegas Convention Center. This place was huge and there was so much to look at, but honestly, the purple carpets were my favorite part. We made our way all the way across the convention center, went over the Sky Pass, beautiful view of Las Vegas. Again, I cannot say enough of how huge this place was, which was good because there were so many people there. We made our way to the cafeteria where Paul had to get his version of coffee. I was happy I got mine at the hotel because the Dunkin' line was insane. Now, the day before, we had already set up our docking door booth for KBIS. You can see that here. It ended up looking fantastic and we were so excited to start our day with it all fresh and ready to go. These cabinets were so beautiful and throughout the day, people kept coming up to us just because our cabinets looked so beautiful and we had to tell them, hey, we actually make the outlets that are inside the cabinet. Our booth was constantly packed full of people just like this. I ended up finding this little pizza booth where I got some lunch and it was super good. After lunch, I walked around the trade show floor to see what other cool vendors were around. As you can see, some of these vendors were absolutely insane. Their designs, their technology was really incredible and really impressive. Overall, it was a really solid day at KBIS. I got a lot of steps in and I was super happy about all the awesome content that I shot that day. Day one in the books.